came out like yellow bus one sunny day. Panda waved as kids came to play. Wearing a hat with a feather so tall, he made everyone laugh, one and all. The bus went bump, the kids said whoa. Panda giggled, that's fun, let's go. He shared his lunch, samosa and pear. Sharing makes friends, that's fair and fair. When a girl dropped her tiffin box low, Panda helped pick it up real slow. Driver Uncle Smudge, you're such a star. Panda said, kindness travels far.